Hey everyone, in this video we'll take you through a beginner's guide to Reel Craft through AppSumo. First off, we're going to start with appsumo.com, and from here we're going to go ahead and we're going to search Reel Craft. There it is there. And here you'll see that if you want to do a one-time payment for Reel Craft, then you can do so. However, we can also redirect here to the Reel Craft website, so that's what we're going to do here. So we're just going to click on Reel Craft, and it's going to bring us to realcraft.ia, and from here we can log in. Let's go ahead and do so. And we're going to sign in with Google. Okay, so we are now signed in. However, because we're on the free version, it looks like our feature limit has been exceeded. And so we are only going to be able to do a certain amount. But what we are going to do is just go through AppSumo and just look at some of the basic options that it offers here. So let's start off with what it's asking here. Start by typing or pasting an idea or a story. Okay. So let's go ahead and say the untold history of humanity, which is a topic that I'm interested in. So let's go ahead and see if Reel Craft is going to do that for us. So it's going to show here a video style. I have gone through this before, and I can tell you that a lot of these styles, they are locked behind the subscription. So we're just going to go ahead and stick with the default cinematic style and hit continue. And here it's going to ask you for the content type and the prompt type. So concept, explanation, stories, historical, travel blog, biography, wishes, quotes, thought. This is historical, so let's go ahead and use that. Prompt type, enhance the rough sketch of the script, don't change my script, transform the given idea into a script. I believe that's what we want to do here. So we're going to go ahead and hit continue now. And now Reel Craft is going to begin generating a story for us. So it seems as though the error message that we got early on, it might be a false flag. So what we have here is actually Reel Craft is doing this story here for us. So we're just going to go ahead and give it a moment here, let it think, and we'll be right back. Okay, so Reel Craft has completed, and this is the result. So you'll see here we have a few things we could take a look at. So we have our prompt, and this is the prompt that Reel Craft generated. So it gave us some more detail based on the instructions we gave it initially, and it even provided a voiceover here as well. We have up at the top 3 different tabs here to click on. So we've got our story, and this is the basic prompt that I put was the untold history of humanity, and here the story is a little bit more elaborate, and you can see here that it's given us something a little bit more in depth, so that's quite nice. And here we have our storyboard, as we were just looking at. You can see that we have different scenes that it has generated with different shots, and you can add a scene, you can delete a scene, you can add a shot, you can delete a shot, you can edit the music, and we can also preview that. So we'll take a look at that just in a moment, because I think that that is also here on the video tab as well. It does appear that that is the same thing. So here you could see that we can edit the video and the caption, we can modify the duration, we can generate the video, or we can upload it directly to YouTube. Let's go ahead and hit play, and we'll see what the results are like.
From the awe-inspiring pyramids of Egypt to the majestic temples of Mesopotamia, ancient structures tell stories of power and belief. Artifacts unearthed in archaeological sites reveal daily life, trade practices, and the cultural exchanges of bygone eras. The societal structures of ancient civilizations, like the caste systems and governance models, reflect the complexities of early communities. Decoding ancient scripts and oral histories helps historians unravel mysteries and piece together the chronicles of human history.
Okay, so that seems to be the end of that there, and so that gives you an idea of what you can expect from Reelcraft, and the results are pretty cool. I like what it's done here. The one thing I would note is that this is not generating as video. This is more like a PowerPoint presentation, and the images are still, you're not going to get any movement there with the images themselves, but there is a lot of panning and things of that sort. So it's dynamic in its own way. Here, let's go ahead, and I think that we can confirm then that the preview button is the same thing as the play button here. Let's just go ahead and try that here real quick.
From the awe-inspiring.
And yeah, that's just, if we go back to the storyboard here and we hit preview, then that's just going to show us what we just saw. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the options here. So edit video and caption. So generate video first to enable this option. Okay, so I believe then that if we click generate video, then this might actually add video to the presentation here. Let's go ahead and try it out and see what happens. So this is behind the subscription wall. So in order to actually download the video, this is restricted to paid users. So I'm not sure if that is indicating that this is actually going to generate as a video so we can actually have movement in the images, or if that's just indicating that we can download the results here. And so this is because we are just on the free version, there is no ability to actually download the videos here. It appears that that is the case. And let's see if we can upload. Yeah, so same thing with the upload to YouTube option, and then also modify generation. So it's saying the same thing, generate video. So my assumption then is if we generate video, that is actually going to give us some movement to the images. I can't confirm that. We can probably take a look into that, but it does appear that the modify duration and the edit video and caption is only available after you generate the video, and that's behind the subscription wall. Let's take a look at some of the other options here on the left-hand side. So here we have video, and this is just basically going to take us back to this main page. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other videos that have been created, because I think that'll give us a better idea of what it's capable of. Let's go ahead and learn 3 incredible facts about lemons. Why not? Hit play on
Lemons
that.
are packed with vitamin C,
Okay,
helping to boost
so
your
we
immune
do
system
actually
and fight
see
off common
movement
cold.
in the video. So
They
once we
contain
finish
powerful
generating, then it is
antibacterial
actually
and
going to generate a
antiviral
video. So that's nice to
making
know.
them effective in combating infections naturally. Lemons also aid digestion and detoxification, keeping your
So it seems that basically what we can expect with Reelcraft is tutorial videos. So if you have an idea for tutorial or some sort of instructional video or something of the sort, then Reelcraft is a great place to do that. I do like the results. I am
your body in a healthy
liking
balance.
the video. Looks pretty sharp. The images are sharp. It looks like it's quite intuitive. So that's what you can expect from Reelcraft. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Studio tab here, and it does appear that we have a few options to look at. Let's go ahead and generate image. And so it looks here with Reelcraft that we actually have an image generator, that it's not just doing video, tutorial, instructional type stuff, but you can actually use this as an image generator as well. So that's quite nice. And also they do have the option to animate an image. So if you have an image, you can upload that image here, and you can, in the prompt, describe what it is that you're looking for. You've got your ratio here that you can modify as well. So that is nice to know with Reelcraft. It's not just about these tutorial videos, but it's also an image generator as well, and will animate the image as well. Let's take a look at the face fusion option. And here, what this appears to be is for custom characters. So if you have your own face and you want to be able to put that in there, so you could see here we have the face image, and we also have the reference image. So you can put your face in here, and then you can put in a reference image, and you can make yourself look like Thor or Superman or any other number of characters. And that's pretty cool. So as far as character consistency, that is something that you can also expect with Reelcraft, so that's quite nice. We also have text to speech, so let's take a closer look at that here. And it does appear that this is lip sync. So if you want to type something here or paste any text you want to turn into lifelike speech. So then there is the question, is whether or not it will actually turn this into lip sync, because I'm not seeing anything specific to that. It seems that this is just if you want to add perhaps your own voiceover, then you can type all of that in here, and then down here you have some options for the person that you want to be narrating. And so that just kind of gives us an idea there. So we have some different options here under the studio, which is quite nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at our dashboard. And so we have a couple of videos that I've generated here, so that gives you an idea of what you can expect with the dashboard, and you can even create a new video from here. Let's take a look at the pricing, and you'll see that you have different options here, and depending on what you're looking for, it looks like right now we do have some sales because of Black Friday, so I'm guessing that that's not going to last for too long here. So you can just get an idea here for what the subscriptions are like with Reelcraft and what you can expect. Also, as we stated in the beginning, it does appear that through AppSumo, you can purchase Reelcraft for a one-time cost. So that's quite nice. If that is something that you're interested in doing, then you can definitely do that as well. And I think that that is pretty much the entirety of what Reelcraft offers. So it seems to be based on tutorials, instructional videos, but it also does have an image generator, text to speech. You can animate your images, and you can also face fusion. You can put your face on a character if you want to. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment or like and subscribe for more helpful tips.